Hey Sam, I'm going to help you get to your correct page that you need to on Seesaw. So if you click here in activities, all of your activities should show up, and then you're going to click add responses. Now you're going to find your name. I'm going to be the sample student to show you how to do this. When this shows up, what you need to click on is the microphone right here. And then when you click on it, it's going to count down 3, 2, 1. And then you need to read Farmer Brown's Barn to me, all the passage. So practice before you read it, and then click this green check. When you click that green check, it will upload it, and then I'll be able to see it. Hope that helped, and I hope you're having a good day, buddy. I miss you a lot. If you need any more help, make sure you comment, and I will help you again. Thanks, buddy. Bye.